Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday, happy mail haul, unboxing all kinds of new makeup video. Monday, did I say Monday? It's been a long day of filming, but I'm so excited. Last week I actually last week I actually uploaded. I'm all over the place today. I uploaded my last declutter series on Monday because I wanted to have all those videos grouped together for the palette series, and I cannot wait to show you guys my new makeup room. I know it's been a little bit. When this video goes up, I'll actually be in Paris. I'm so freaking excited. It's our first time, and it was kind of like a last minute type. We randomly booked it and we got a really good deal. So I don't know what all we're going to be doing while we're there, but I'm really excited to go. But yeah, I'm excited. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe. I love doing mail hauls and PR hauls and normal hauls and giveaways and reviews. And I do have some holiday reviews that will be coming up soon, but I just keep looking at you guys and looking at these packages, and I'm ready to open them. So if you're new, we'd love for you to stick around. Again, subscribe below, and let's dive in. Okay, so I know one of these is from Natasha to Nona. I think it's this one. And I'm hoping that it is her nude collection. Yes. Okay. I haven't opened these, so as you can tell, I'm like, really excited. I just don't get how sometimes YouTubers don't get excited like this, because I don't know. I think it's because I love makeup so much and I love unboxing things so much. So it's like the perfect combo. All right. Oh, it looks like it got a little bit beaten up on the side. I need a nude. So let's see what we have. Ooh, wow. These are like a lot. So pretty. This is what the card looks like. These are retailing for $25. And it says 18 shades designed to flatter each and every skin tone. I am so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's try some on the hand real quick. The first one that sticks out to me, you guys know I like my pinky nudes. But Allison, ooh, yes. So that is Allison. Oh, this is so pretty. This packaging is like legit. It is like super heavy. This is like nude heaven. And then we have Judith that looks like it's, oh, I just can't get, I cannot, oh, I don't know what is dropping underneath me. Then we have Judith, which looks like it's like another one of my favorite kind of colors. And this, honestly, I thought was going to have more of a purple undertone. I cannot get over just how like nice this packaging is. Oh yeah, that one's really pretty. This is so okay, Beatrice looks like it's more of like a corally nude. It's like a pretty light nude too. Oh yeah, that's Beatrice. It's like a really baby pink. I feel like the shades on this packaging don't so much give you how like the lighter darkness, but nonetheless, they're all beautiful. Oh, well, I'm crazy. It literally says neutral pink and then pink. So I should have looked at the packaging. This one is called Sava. Oh yeah, I think that one's probably my favorite out of all of them. Ooh, we're just gonna put this right here behind me because I'm so excited about it. I like to display these sometimes behind me. Thank you so much to Natasha and Nona and the Natasha and Nona team. I am so intrigued. You know what? Let's just put one on. What am I talking about? I feel like it's necessary. And it's been a week, so even though it's Monday when I upload this, I feel like I need to put on a different lipstick. Just to liven the mood. Oh my gosh. Are these baby wipes? I hope so. I didn't even think of what I just put on my lips. I think they're baby wipes. Hopefully not disinfectant wipes. Okay. Thank you so much, Natasha and Nona, for this package. You know, one of the things I really want to get you guys, the new palette she just came out with, it looks amazing. So there is that. Thank you, thank you. I found all of my favorite nudes all in one. Okay, the next thing we have, actually, it's funny. Huda Beauty also sent me a package, and I went ahead and opened it up. I love when they send these things because I love these for travel. But she came out with some more Power Bullets, and these are the Power Bullet matte lipsticks. She came out with a ton of different shades, and these are more like wintry fall shades. So the one that I am the most drawn to is called Wedding Day right here. I think these are all new shades. So let's go ahead. Ooh, it's the first one I grabbed too. Let's go ahead and swatch it. It definitely has like a nude undertone too. But I love the packaging of these. They're like an ombre package. So pretty. And again, this is called Wedding Day. These are like super matte. Like you don't even realize how matte they're going to be. Oh yeah, but so comfortable. Let's just put this one on over top of this. I'm literally just using my computer to look at my lips. So it darkened it a little. So there's that. They're not like they're similar, but there is Wedding Day. And then let's swatch another one. Girls Trip is a pinky nude. It's right beside this one. So let's see what it's about. I'm literally throwing these lipstick packages in the floor. I need to get a trash can. Girls Trip. Oh yeah. Very like nude. And then let's do one more. Prom Night. Okay. Oh, I love a good lipstick swatch. Okay, so here is what Prom Night looks like. It's definitely like, I think the nudist out of all of them. So there's Prom Night. These are so beautiful. I need to like really step up my lip liner game. I was watching somebody on Instagram the other day and I don't know, she looked like she did a really good job like lining her lips, and I'm like, why do I never line my lips anymore? Like full on line the lips, lipstick, and then a lip gloss over top. I need to get back on that game. Thank you so much to Huda Beauty for that package. Can't wait to try these out. I hope that Huda Beauty comes out with like some kind of crazy holiday set. I don't know if they normally do holiday sets, but I think it'd be really fun. Next package came from Pixie Beauty. I've really been loving their sprays lately. I've been spraying a lot of them. I have them like at the very front of all my sprays. Oh, and they gave me a little card. Oh, they're so sweet. Oh, these are all products I have not tried. So this is the Pixie Overnight Retinol Oil. And they have really, really good skincare products, you guys. Then they sent over this Pixie. Ooh, this is really pretty. It's a glowy powder. In the shade Wednesdays, and it's like a really pretty like lavender highlight. Then we have a eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, these are like such my color. They're like very, very warm tone. As you can see, I have so many packages, so I'm not going to swatch like everything, but look how pretty. Oh, and then we have a retinol. Oh, yes. Okay, sorry. I like started reading. This is the Zero Zit. It's a blemish solution that has a lightweight and quick absorbing to minimize redness, swelling, and future breakouts. And you apply on like the areas that you have like a pimple. Then you have a retinol eye cream. I'm so excited. I did not even know that they had these. And then last but not least, we have the Pixie and Rach Loves. And this is a highlighting palette. So thank you so much to Pixie for that package. I cannot wait to put all these goodies to use. Very next thing we have came from Beauty Bio. I feel like I need to figure out how to lighten up this area over here because it's a little bit dark. I'm going to be working on it, you guys. Let me know if you have any ideas. Okay. And this actually came from Poke PR. Oh, this is so freaking cute. Okay, first thing is the Quench Eye, which is a eye balm. Love. And Beauty Bio, I actually don't think I've tried any of their skincare. I have their like micro needling and then the lip one and stuff. So yeah, this is the balm. And then look at what they sent over. This is so cute. So first off, they sent over these like little marshmallows. And then they sent over these little sunglasses. They're like so retro, I feel like. I love these. Yes. I'm ready for my close-up. I'm literally going to put these on my head the rest of the video because I'm like obsessed with them already. Okay, next we have a package from Too Faced. I literally thought this was so cute. So it says, we took the money we would have spent on a fancy influencer mailer and we made a donation instead. So I thought that was really awesome because sometimes, you know, brands, they do really like over the top mailers, and some of that stuff, you know, it's awesome when you save money on it. So this is the launch of the Clover 3, a limited edition soft pink mocha shade for the Melted Matte Lipstick, and they are donating $25,000 to Best Friends Animal Society because we're dedicated to making a world a better place. That is awesome. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, such a pretty shade, you know. Let's just put this on. Some people are probably going to be like, girl, I'm over you putting on all this lipstick. Their lipstick smells so good too. Love that. I love that, like seriously. Okay, and let's see what else we have. Sorry, I have like packages in the floor and stuff. Okay, next two we have actually came from Octoly. So the first one is from Octoly and Patchology. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh yeah. Y'all, I need some breakout stuff. I've been under a lot of stress recently and I need what I can get for the breakouts. Okay, this is called the MOODMASK. It says the Good Fight Clear Skin Sheet Mask. And then we have a breakout box with acne treatment. It has 24 blemish shrinking salicylic acid dots and 24 whitehead absorbing dots and 3 detoxifying charcoal nose strips. Yes, I need that. And I'm gonna put that in my travel bag because you know when like you're out of town and you get like an awful bump on your face? I hate that. So I'll put that in my travel bag. Thank you, Patchology. And then the next one, oh my gosh, I am so excited for this one too from Octoly. This actually came from Fresh Beauty, and I haven't gotten the chance to try out a lot of stuff from Fresh. The only thing I've tried out is the Fresh Sea Berry Oil, I think is what it's called. I tried it out a long time ago, and I'm just really excited. So they sent over 3 different products, and I do want to start incorporating these into my routine. The first one is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. It says it is for all skin types. And it says it's an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everyday impurities and makeup, even mascara without stripping the skin of essential moisture. And I think I read that kind of weird, but even makeup, like it even takes off makeup. Okay, then we have this Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream, which is a night recovery face cream. Ooh la la. And last we have the Black Tea Facial Treatment Essence. It says the Fresh Black Tea Facial Treatment Essence. Oh, I'm not on the English side. Okay. It is a silky leave-on formula that's powered by kombucha that increases moisture and luminosity for a radiant, lustrous complexion. The highly concentrated age delay treatment provides a daily antioxidant and anti-pollution protection, which helps prevent premature signs of skin aging. It is a versatile, weightless essence that also smooths, softens the looks of fine lines, and refines the appearance of skin, boosting its resilience and vitality. I am so excited about this. Thank y'all so much, and I cannot wait to give you guys an update on those products. Okay, next we have a package from Siren PR. And I think they typically rep Essence, if I'm not mistaken. If I can get this open. Ugh. Yes. These are Essence Micro Brow Pencils. And maybe, no, oh, eyebrow pens. Ooh, so many different shades. So we have some that are eyebrow pens, which I think is like a felt tip liner. And then we also have some brow pencils. So thank you so much, Essence, for that package. And then we have an Allure Beauty box for this month. Let me open this. Let me open it. This has a ton of different items in it. First, we have the Ciate Dew Stick, which is a luminous highlighting balm. Ooh, we have a NARS Velvet Matte Cream Lip Color. The Nature Lab Perfect Smooth Conditioner. Oh, and shampoo. And then the last 2 products that we have is the Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Brightening Face Scrub, and then also this Eczema Soothing Relief Cream. So thank you so much to Allure Beauty for that package. And you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope that you enjoyed it, and as always, I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!